So guys, in this video we will learn how to create a awesome responsive login page with only HTML and CSS. This login page will be fully responsive, which is look awesome on every devices. To create this page, we will first create two files named login.html and login.css. Now we need a background image and a logo image named background.png and logo.png. The download link of the images is given in the description box. We will keep these four files in the same folder. Now I will open these files in my code editor. First of all, we will create the structure of the login page by HTML coding. So we have completed our HTML coding. Now I will open the HTML login page in the browser. This page doesn't look good because we haven't designed it with CSS yet. So let's start CSS coding. has been designed successfully. Now just add some code to the CSS file to make the page responsive. So now our responsive login page has been designed successfully. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next class.